So getting straight into the tutorial, I just brush through my hair and then I spray some heat defense and I also do the argan oil as well, and then just run that through my hair. Then I roughly just blow dry the roots of my hair just so that it's a little bit dry. Then I part my hair, and the main thing for my blowouts is the round brush. It makes my blowout last like multiple days, and it also just gives a lot more like definition and bounciness to the hair. So I mainly just work on like the tips of my hair, and then I go in with the round barrel attachment as well, just on the ends of my hair, just to give it that little bit extra curl. And I always make sure that I pull outwards, because adding that tension onto your roots will give that volume when you put your rollers in and then when you take your rollers out. And then for my fringe, I don't really do anything special. I just kind of go in all different directions, blow dry in all different directions. I don't really have a set thing for that. Then I put in my rollers. I always do big ones at the back and smaller ones at the front, because I like having that more curliness at the front of my hair, because it just kind of makes it look a little bit more full. And honestly, my fringe is the most important part. That's what it ends up looking like.
Morning, guys, and happy Easter. So I have obviously slept on my rollers, that's why they're basically hanging. So I'm just going to start taking them off now. I'm not going to be too specific the way that I take them out. Honestly, I just kind of pull them out. I know that everyone on TikTok is like, you have to twist it before you take it out, but I don't really think that makes a difference, really. Okay, so this is currently what it's looking like. So I'm not really going to take out the front of my roller just yet, because I do still have a couple of hours till I leave. So in the time being, while I'm like doing my makeup and just getting ready, I'm just going to put it up in a clip and just kind of like try to preserve the curls as much as I can, but without my rollers, because I feel like my rollers, they kind of pull on my hair a little bit too much. And I've also stopped using Velcro rollers as much as I used to, because I used to do this literally every single day, and I used to feel like my hair had started thinning. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready now, and then I will show you guys the final product.
So guys, this is the final look, and thank you so much for watching. So many of you asked for this video on my TikTok, so hopefully you found this helpful enough, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.